But that's not work. Not no worker. What are other name of Saint Joseph? Saint Joseph, the husband of Mary. That's it. The feast day is March 19, March 25. March 19. Okay, the husband of Mary. Okay, Joseph the worker is May 1, May 1st also. Wow, who are other Joseph? Joseph and Josephine. Yeah, also. So we have the Divine Mercy. So there are two women there, the Divines and then the Mercies. The Divine and the Mercies are good singers also. And of course, the Legion of Mary, Legionaries, the doors. So thank you for opening your doors also to me to come here and be part of your missionary life. And this is also my mission of coming here. At one point, because this is actually my first mission outside of the Philippines. When I was ordained, so I applied for other countries, but the SPT didn't allow me to go out because they needed me. I did not need them. They needed me in the formation, so I was in the formation of those who wanted to become a priest for vocation recruitment. So I was assigned for vocation recruitment, those looking for young men and women also for the SSPS. So I helped them also. We collaborate a lot looking for vocation. And then once I was assigned formation and 7 years as president of our schools there in the Philippines. I was assigned in the hospital. So there are many things that I did there. And this is my successful attempt. Because I was in the council for 9 years, no, as in the administration of SBD. So that's why it took me a long time really to get out of the Philippines and apply for mission. I was in Italy last year, but I was not assigned there. I was there for the renewal and the formation course at the same time also. So this is actually my first time to be out of the Philippines and officially assigned there as missionary. So thank you for welcoming me. And, if I had one wish, sabi niya sa kanta, if there's one more gift I'd ask of you, Lord, it would be peace here on earth, as gentle as your children's laughter. That's peace. That I be able to perform, to do my work here peacefully with you. But peace is not the absence of chaos. To seek for peace is not the absence of what is that? The opposite of peace is war, chaos, argument, disagreement. So, to seek for peace is not actually the absence of the other one. So, there would always be disagreement, there will always be quarrel, there will always be, but those means only to synthesize and to, to make us pure also. We have to go through all that.
Yes.
Even the families are experiencing. Parents, who quarrel. There is domestic violence also. Siblings do quarrel also. It is present in each community. There will always be disagreement because of our unique ideas, unique way of looking at things. It could be that this is a can for me, but others will say that's a glass, Father. They will argue. That's, for me, it's color red, but others will say that's blue, Father. So there will always be different or variation of interpretation based on our culture and based on our experience. But he said that let us disagree in order to agree. There's a call for openness. That's what I desire, what I wish that in openness there will always be, we can easily arrive at a solution. It may not be an appropriate solution, but if we keep on hiding and hiding something, we cannot arrive at a conclusion. Because sometimes, if there is disagreement, there are conflicts, this is actually the story. This is a normal thing. There is conflict. Then after the conflict comes resolution. We see always this in the book story, in fairy tales, in movies. There are always conflict. At the beginning, no, they were sailing good. Then in the middle, there is conflict. And they arrive at a resolution. And they live ever happily ever after in fairy tale. But our life is not a fairy tale. We live in a real world. Where challenges are real. This is not kind of, we simply imagine, oh, I imagine that nothing is happening. No, we have to be in touch with the reality. We cannot just simply pretend that something is good when something is happening deep within. The Ilonggos in the Philippines knows magaling magtago, sabi nila. There is a line, daw sa waay, isa may binabatsa.
Yes, that's true.
In English, there's something that is going on smoothly and then something is chaotic inside. So we know how to hide and we know how to pretend. Keep on smiling and smiling. But deep within, it's hurting already. No? So we just say, keep smiling, keep smiling. Now that you can always count on me. For sure. That's what friends are for. Jesus that is the message, that is the gospel I have chosen. On my ordination, Jesus said, call me friends. Because friends, I have called you friends because the friends always tell his friends what his feeling is all about. I am not your master because the servant does not know what his master is all about. Rather, I call you friends. Not friends with benefits. Because I am not SSS, I'm not also being help. But spiritual help, then you can count on me also. Let's journey together as friends, as brothers and sisters here. So we can arrive at the destination even if we traverse in a road less traveled by many. So, thank you so much for welcoming me. I hope to be able to journey with you for the next 3 to 5 years. Thank you, sister. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Father. Yes, we're praying for it. Sister, can I give you a
word also?
Ito maliit.
A word. Welcome, Father Jerry. In fact, this is my first time met you. But only 2 days we have
Darating yung mga kasama
to
nila.
see each other. But now I realize you are full of life. You know how to sing, you know how to dance, and you know how to make the
Laughing.
full of joy. That really drove my heart. I think see you. When I see you, I feel our church will be more alive. You give us the joy. So
May sister ko niya yun.
thank you so much. So I think we will end our
Sing the
Si Juan, gusto niyo daw kumanta para sa iyo. Ang kanta daw siya para sa iyo.
Okay.
Oh, para daw.
Happy tayo.
Ha?
Ayoko na ng ano. Maliit na lang ang buhay ko kasi parang awan nyo na. Yan na sa oo, para happy tayo. Oo nga. Buhay natin. Kumakantay mo, one day at a time. Ay, anak. Ate! Ate, yung one day at a time na lang. Ate, yung one day at a time. Ate, anak, hindi ako. Ano ba yung anak ko?
Anak ni Freddy o anak ni Nora o anak ni Vito?
Kami ko sa'yo, parang magamit natin yung plato mamaya. Iyan na. Oo, tapos mo na.